Welcome back, Curry Crew. Today we have a delicious recipe for you. But before we jump into today's video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Punch that notification bell, and let's jump right into it. So guys, today we're going to be making a delicious cheesy veggie sandwich. Now in this sandwich we're going to add some amazing flavors and amazing veggies like corn, bell peppers, onions, along with a few spices to make it nice and savory and spicy. And also, of course, we can't forget the cheese because it's a cheesy sandwich. So I'm not going to delay it any further. Let's jump straight into the video. So guys, step one for our sandwich is to take a pan and into this add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let it melt over medium to low heat, and then into this we will add in half of an onion chopped into small pieces. We will then cook our onions until they become nice and soft. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to keep stirring your onions in between to make sure that they do not stick to the pan or burn. After about 2 to 3 minutes, into the pan we will add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. Give it all a quick mix. And then into this, add in 1 cup of corn kernels. And once again, mix. Once that is well combined, cook the veggies for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then into this we will add in our seasonings. So first, we're going to add in salt to taste, then follow it up with pepper to taste. Last but not least, we will add in a pinch or about 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or Kashmiri red chili powder. Give it all another mix, and then add in 1 cup worth of chopped bell peppers. You can use any color that you want. I'm just using orange since this is the only bell pepper color that I had. Give it another mix, and we don't want to cook our final mixture too much because we still want to retain the crunch in our bell peppers. We want to make sure that we have that contrast in texture, or else everything in the sandwich will just become soft and mushy. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, you can turn off the stove and stop cooking the veggies. Next, take a large mixing bowl, and into this, transfer your veggies from the pan, and then we're going to add in 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using Indian Amul cheese, which is like a mellow white cheddar, but feel free to use whatever cheese you like. Give it all a nice mix, and you'll see the cheese starts to melt because of the warm veggies that are in the bowl, and this is going to help your filling become nice and creamy. Next, take 2 slices of bread, and first apply butter to both pieces. Then, spoon in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your filling onto your bread, or enough to cover one entire side. Then, top the other piece of bread on top of the first one, and then apply some butter to the top of the sandwich. Next, take a pan and turn it on to low heat, and then place the sandwich, butter side down, into the pan. Once you do that, take some more butter and apply it to the top of the sandwich so that when we flip this side, it can become nice and toasted as well. We're going to cook our sandwich on low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until each side of the sandwich is nicely toasted and slightly brown and crispy. Once one side is complete, flip the sandwich and cook the other side. Once both sides are complete and they are nice and toasted, and the cheese on the inside should have also melted by now, you can remove the sandwich from the pan and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Next, we're going to get ready to serve. So here is our final product. As you can see, the inside of the sandwich is nice and gooey from the cheese, while the outside has a nice crust. So guys, I can't wait anymore. This looks way too good for me to be just standing around. So let's dig right in. So guys, here is our final sandwich. I am ready to dig in. I've taken a little bit of ketchup. You don't have to take ketchup if you don't want to. I just like ketchup, so I'm going to dip it in there. Guys, it's absolutely delicious. This recipe has turned out so good because of the cheesiness of the cheddar cheese that we put in there, and then we have the amazing veggies that we seasoned and grilled, and it all combines to form the perfect bite that you get from this sandwich. So you guys definitely need to try this out for yourselves at home. Let us know how it turns out for you, and keep on cooking.